In May, Oppo unveiled the Reno 14 series of smartphones in China. The rumor mill has already started leaking details about the next-generation Reno 15 series. According to the leak, the Oppo Reno 15 series will launch in November this year in China. It will be available in two size variants, a compact model with a 6.3-inch flat display and a larger 6.78-inch version aimed at users who prefer bigger screens. While exact design details are yet to be confirmed, the phones are expected to retain the sleek, lightweight build typical of the Reno series. On the photography front, the Reno 15 lineup is said to feature a major camera upgrade, and it will be equipped with a flagship-grade camera sensor. The Reno 15 series will feature a 200-megapixel primary camera using a large sensor. Oppo may also bring some flagship imaging tech from the Find X8 series to the Reno 15. Reno 15 models are expected to feature a periscope telephoto lens. The new generation will also continue to feature a metal middle frame and larger batteries with wireless charging support. One of the major upgrades that will be seen on the Reno 15 series is the inclusion of the latest software, the ColorOS 16-based Android 16. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.